I food cycle because I don't like to waste anything, especially food.
I food cycle because food scraps can be turned into products like fertilizer and electricity.
We food cycle every week because it's the right thing to do. If we just put food scraps in trash, it goes to landfill. There it creates more greenhouse gases and create climate change. When we put all our food scraps in the food cycle cart every week, we can do great things for Sunnyvale. Will you join us?